on both, there's laydowns on both sides, so it's all pretty good. That one. Buzzbait. All right. First fish of the morning on a buzzbait. And not my usual war eagle. I'm actually trying out, let's say bye to this sucker first. Trying out this mega bass buzzbait. Forget what it's called, but mega bass buzzbait, whatever. But so far so good. So yeah, I didn't do an intro, but I'm out here pond fishing again. I don't know when I'm gonna actually post this, but in real time it's the day after my disastrous Boyd tournament where I had my first skunk. Couldn't leave the weekend with a skunk, so I'm out here doing some pond fishing to get some redemption. Feel that pull, because that was brutal at Boyd yesterday. So anyway, yeah, let's see what we can find out here. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you might recognize this as the place where, oh, there's one. Alright, not bad. Number two, not big. But, as I was saying, if you've seen any of my other videos, you might recognize this as the place where I kept trying a bunch of different stuff, but they would only ever hit the jackhammer. So far so good. They're liking the buzzbait, which is nice. But if it gets tough, I'll go to the jackhammer, as always. Oh, that one feels better. Oh, now I wish I had my net. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, nice. Just got a good one. Pretty good. Heck yeah. Look at that sucker. It's a healthy little guy. Alright, as the last time I was out, did some pond fishing. Gonna make it my mission to get one on the frog. Except this time I got this fancy new mega bass frog. So let's see if this thing does any better, or if I do any better with this thing, let's say. I still have been sucking royally with the frog. Let's get up closer. Try to get this sucker right up onto the bank. There we go. As you can see, this frog has this little scoop in the front there to sort of displace some water and splash it. I just don't know how aggressively I should be splashing it. I guess we'll have to figure that out. Alright, let's get a better angle on this laydown. Last time, when I got a few blow-ups on the frog, it was a real natural looking color. This one's of course black and blue, which I figured would be good because it just kind of looks like a shadow from below. So, you know, black's always a decent choice for topwater, but so far they're not liking this one as much as they did the natural one. So we're gonna go back to the buzzbait here in a second. Or I just got to figure out the right cadence they want. Let's try a constant twitching movement. So I sometimes fish my other one. Alright, we tried this last time we were here. Didn't work out. Didn't find anything under there, but it's just too cool not to try again. I'm going to skip under this tree and pull one out of there, theoretically. Looks like there's just a lot of grass under there, actually. Oh well. Still fun to practice skipping. You're good luck. Yeah, right? I've got cameras, all good, thank you. Okay. Oh, I just lost a good one. Damn it. So I was just turning my boat around to get a better position at the bank, and I saw this little stick up coming out of the water out in the middle of the friggin' lake, pond. I figured, well, those usually hold fish. Threw at it with the buzzbait, got a swipe, just went back at it with the jackhammer and got a big one that just jumped off. Dang. Yeah, there's a few really good laydowns. That one, I think it's, yeah, that first really big one, past that bushy tree. Yeah. I threw the buzzbait right up into the, like the big trunk of it is right there on the water, basically right at the edge of it, and scared something away. Something fucking slapped at it. Seemed like something big. Oh no. No. Oh. Alright. Just lost my green pumpkin jackhammer, so tied on the bee height delight. And I like that one too. It's a pretty jackhammer, pretty fish. Alright. No, bee height delight. I'm surprised he bit. I was all up in his area, coming over here to get my lure unsnagged, and threw over there. There he was. He wasn't afraid of me up in his house. There we go. I knew we would get one parallel on this grass. Alright. There we go. You gotta tell me there's not one on that log. Don't even try to tell me that. See? What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? Do I know my boys or what? Little fella. That's alright. Because he was where he's supposed to be. There we go. There you go. That's what you're supposed to do. Sorry, I didn't bring my net, fellas. Make it a lot easier on us both. There we go.